Hello everyone, this side Samarth Pophale and today is the 19th of April 2021. So if you want to learn more about share market, then you should need about money market. If you heard about money market in the scam 1992 and whatever in every share market series, so let's start with the money market. What is meant by money market? In the money market, company borrowing a loan for a short term period that is below 1 year. Money market companies borrows liabilities like a certificate of deposit, commercial papers, repurchase agreement, etc., etc. In money market there are interbanking lending takes place where a bank give a loan to the company with the help of a money market instruments. Money market is regulated by RBI. RBI means Reserve Bank of India. If you want to invest in money market, then you invest your money in the money market account, and the money market account is type of a saving account. But money market is the return will be high with compared to the saving account. Money market balance account requirement is big than saving account. So there is the last part of this money market is a capital market. In the capital market there are two types. Number one is a primary market. Number two is a secondary market. This primary and secondary market we covered in the topic previous podcast. But if you want to listen that podcast, then click the description link and listen this. And if you want to read that podcast, then visit our website finexpert.blogspot.com is also given to the description. The capital market companies borrows a fund for the long term, that is above 1 year, 2 year, 5 year, and above that. Capital market instruments, that is stocks, bonds, etc., is borrowing by the company for the long term. Capital market is regulated by SEBI, that is a Security and Exchange Board of India, and the capital market instrument is a high risk capital. So if you take a difference between capital market and money market is that the money market consists of a government certificates, commercial papers, and repurchase agreement, but capital market consists of stocks, bonds, like this. Means capital market is in other words is a equity market, and money market is like a very big market than retail investors. So thank you so much. We will meet again the interesting podcast. Bye bye and take care.